The wind and the cold, dry air of winter can do a number on your hands, but sun exposure can age and damage their delicate, thin skin. And if you find yourself elbow deep in hot dishwater each day, who doesn't? This can also lead to dry hands. All of this can lead to dry, rough, or even cracked skin on your hands. However, a medical condition can also lead to rough skin on your hands. It's always best to check with your doctor if you have specific concerns. Here we discuss 8 simple natural tips to soften your hands. Last tip is so important to your hands soft and smooth. Number 1. Apply almond oil. Dry, rough hands need to be hydrated. When it comes to natural remedies for soft hands, it doesn't get much better than oils like almond oil. This oil is full of vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that are great for your skin. All you have to do is gently massage this beneficial oil into your hands. Number 2. Apply coconut oil. Coconut oil is another fantastic natural moisturizer that can get you on track for soft hands. In addition to quickly absorbing into your skin and being super hydrating, it also has antibacterial properties. Apply coconut oil just as you would apply a regular lotion. Just remember that your hands will be oily for a few minutes as it soaks into your skin. Number 3. Sleep with a moisturizer. If applying an oil to your hands during the day is bothersome or inconvenient for you, simply make it a part of your nighttime routine. Using oil or moisturizer before you go to bed is a great way to provide your hands with deep moisturization over several hours. The best way to sleep with almond or coconut oil or any other moisturizer of your choice on your hands is to put gloves on after applying the oil. If you don't have a pair of gloves that you want to get oily, you can always use a pair of socks, then simply hop into bed and let the moisturizing magic happen overnight. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the icon so that these informational videos to reach you, and a good comment about the video. It is encouraged by you. Number 4. Wear sunscreen. Lather up with sunscreen before going for an outdoor adventure and wear facial sunscreen on a daily basis. You know the ropes. But have you ever thought about putting sunscreen on your hands? Our hands can age faster than our face when we forget to care for them as regularly. However, it is not too late to make your hands look radiant and youthful, simply by keeping them hydrated and protected with an SPF hand cream as part of your everyday routine. Number 5. Wear gloves. Don't let all your hard work moisturizing your hands go to waste. Gloves can help protect soft hands. This means winter gloves as well as rubber gloves. Wearing gloves when the weather turns chilly protects your skin from the cold air and harsh wind, which can both be particularly drying to your hands. And rubber gloves are essential for cleaning or washing dishes to provide a barrier between your skin and the hot water or harsh chemicals. Number 6. Run a humidifier. Dry air can suck the moisture right out of your skin, leading to the exact opposite of soft hands. While you can't do anything about the weather, running a humidifier in your home will increase the moisture in the air and help prevent dry skin. Number 7. Exfoliate with sugar and olive oil. Part of getting the soft hands you want is doing what we have just talked about. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. But the other part is exfoliation. All you need to do is mix equal parts of olive oil and sugar. We recommend 1 tablespoon of each, and gently rub the mixture into your skin. The olive oil will hydrate your skin while the sugar will provide physical exfoliation. Just don't damage your skin by rubbing too vigorously. Number 8. Treat your hands to a mask. In addition to treating your hands to a few minutes of aloe vera, whipping up your own hand mask can be just the thing to soothe and soften your skin. You can make a hand mask with ingredients you've got on hand in your kitchen, like potatoes, honey, avocado, eggs, oats, or yogurt. There are plenty of recipes online, but to give you an idea of how quick and easy it can be, one DIY mask only involves boiling a potato, mashing it with a splash of olive oil, and spreading it onto your hands once it cools off a bit. Leave the potato mask on for around 15 minutes before taking it off and rinsing your hands.